Hi guys, I am Hannah and
I am Angel.
Ano ba?
Angel ba purong
Angel, and we are going to
We're going
to to our classroom and like
Yeah.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, oh, it's okay. Let's go, guys. So this is the door. Here, this is the door, and this is our sanitize, and also this is our board, and electric fan, and that's all the students. Say hi, it's like it will, guys, and let's go over there.
Tama ni.
Kani siya, tag 15 ra ni siya. Kay 15 may nakabutan.
Live setting na lugar na.
No, by saving. And when pag mag-lesson we put our phone here.
No phones.
Yeah, no phones a lot. And also this is our heavenly window, and there is a lot of people over there. Over there. Hey, over there. Yeah. And let's go. Let's tour to the floor. Let's tour to where? Oh, that's say hi class. Hi class. Hi classmates. Hi class. And let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to here. This is
This is our downstairs.
Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. This floor is 4th floor, guys. So our room is over there. That room. We're in a 4th floor. And
Second room, ABM.
yeah. Then let's go over here. We tour you to the 3rd floor. So
Wait, yung stone. Yan na.
okay. Oh guys.
Oh,
This
hey
is
guys.
my friend.
This is our friend.
This is our friend. And say hi, everyone.
Say hi. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah,
Please
introduce yourself,
yourself.
please. She is Melissa. You can call her Mil. And
Female.
then this is Janica. You can call her Nika. And let's go over.
What's your talent,
There.
your age, your address, your...
Let's go over there.
Bring yung lugot pa.
Do you want to go with us? Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is our wait lang kasi guys from dun.
Welcome to our vlog.
Hi, ma'am.
Vlog mo na eh.
Okay. Let's go. And yan na. Hold on, guys. We were back. We were return. Yeah. Returning. Yeah. I don't care. Basta balik kami. Hey guys, where are you going? You see, we were in vlog because this is for grades. And this is the water dispenser, guys. Yes? Here, over here. This is the water dispenser.
We're getting water from the water dispenser.
In the another classroom. Yeah. And, we were going
To drink water. To avoid this wearing mask because you have virus.
Yeah. We're the BM, ang batang masutiton.
Yes. Wait,
And let's go.
Oh, naikuha mo kami na day. Oh.
Let's go to room.
Di ka munod. Ay, mo nang water bed. Di ka mag...
Sulod pa ba?
Mga kupalin sa mga batain. Okay. Okay. Tuta, tutu, tas tutu. Wala, gawin na. Unsa man na siya, baby, tungod sa Crocs.
Bad. Ay, gani ka.
Oh, Delisa.
Nakita naman ng sister.
Grabe naman niya.
It's your turn. Yeah, it's your turn. Yeah, it's your turn.
Wow. Wow, grabe naman kayo uminom ng tubig, guys. Huwag naman kayo ganun uminom ng tubig kasi mauubos ang ating water bottle.
Water bottle?
Water dispenser.
Water dispenser.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Afternoon kayo.
Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. Then, there you are.